Hey guys, what's up? So today I have my dad with me. He has no idea what I'm gonna do today. So I'll be quizzing you on female products. I have around 20 to 25 products, okay? And you have to guess. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Also, it's like very easy. I think he might guess it because he is like a doctor and a nutritionist, so he might get few things. So I'm gonna start with the first thing, okay? So this is the first thing.
Also, it's like very easy. I think he might guess it.
आयब्रो साठी काहीतरी आहे ते खालचं आहे ते पकडायसाठी ग्रिप.
Okay, this is like half right. You can also do your eyebrows, your everything, like your face, everything, all your hair you can remove from this. So good one, 1 point.
Okay.
This is the next one. I don't even know this. I don't know this. What is this? I was still researching about this, but so I'm just like, I'll research it later, but then that later never came. You have any guesses?
Spider-Man.
कुछ भी.
What is this? Ha, he knows. He has used this, so he knows. If you want to see that video, go in the description or in the I button. This is the next thing.
वाइब्रेटर दिख रहा है.
तो इतना भी हम आगे नहीं बढ़े अब तक. This is a hair curler. Next one. You have to keep guessing. Even if you are wrong, tell me what is this.
इसमें ना उंगली डालने का कुछ तो है ये.
हाँ,
ये 2 होल
हाँ,
है, ये उंगली डालेंगे.
Perfect.
है ना?
हाँ, आगे.
उंगली डालेंगे
But
और पता नहीं उसमें क्या करेंगे फिर.
हाँ, but फिर what?
उंगली डाल के कुछ तो ऐसा दबा के कुछ सक्शन का जैसे दिख रहा है मुझे.
No.
नहीं. पिंपल रिमूवर.
No.
वैक्यूम नहीं. फिर शायद मेकअप का ही है कुछ.
I'll give you a hint. The upper thing holds something inside it.
पर क्या होल्ड करता है?
हाँ. It's a nail polish. Like if you place your fingers and you have to place the nail polish inside it, and then you can nicely do your nails. Ha. So that's that. And next is wait. So the next is this.
वस्तारा.
Ha, kind of. Girls Vastara, but girls shaver. It's not
Vastara.
called Vastara. This is the next.
ड्रीमर आहे.
No.
लिपसाठीचं काय हे हँडल आहे तुमचं रेझर बसवायचं हँडल आहे.
नाही.
जे लिप घालून त्याला हे करता असे दाबता प्रेस करता म्हणजे ते लिप असे दिसतात.
Ha.
बरोबर ना.
It helps you to pump your lips up and like gives you like a volume on your
बट यू हॅव
lips.
नॅचरल लिप्स.
Yeah, I know that. This is very easy.
नाखून निकाल के रखने के लिए रहेगा.
How can you cut your nails and keep them? You
हाँ.
throw them, na?
हाँ लेकिन बाद में फुर्सत में थ्रो करने का.
फुर्सत.
अभी समझो निकाला आप नाखून खाते हो ऐसा ऐसा करके फिर उसमें डालने का इसके लिए ये.
No, it's not that.
और बाद में जब उठेंगे तब फेंक देने का.
People are not that lazy.
हाँ है ना यार तुम लोग है ना. अभी ये देखो नाखून कितना बड़ा है ये देखो.
This is fashion. This is fashion, okay?
नहीं
Nails
फैशन
look
नहीं है पूरा
nice.
गंदा अंदर जाता है. पेट के
गंदा.
अंदर.
We clean it, okay? We are very
किधर से
clean
clean?
people. We
कुछ
clean that. We are very hygienic.
वेरी बैड है ये.
This
ये
is-
है ना ये नहीं होना चाहिए ये नाखून ऐसे.
This is a lip suction. Like you have to suck it and lips become big. This is the next. This is something very new. Like basically, I also saw this on TikTok. Not on TikTok, but people are talking about it a lot.
शेव करने के बाद में त्रुटि रहता है घुमाते हैं तो उससे क्या होता है पोर्स जो है वो
No, no, it's not
ऐसा
that.
लेडीज का कुछ तो दिख रहा है.
No.
फेस के लिए ही है.
फेस के लिए ही है, but what?
फिर ये ज़्यादा मेकअप हुआ तो उसको निकालने के लिए.
नहीं. This is like a rock kind of thing. If your face is swollen, you can use this on your face and then make it calm
तो
down.
वही हो गया ना फिर
नहीं, वो
शेव करने
नहीं
के
हुआ.
बाद में जो तुरटी घुमाते हैं ना
तुरटी उर्टी,
वही
how
है.
can I know
उसको
तुरटी?
शेव भी है ना तुरटी.
This is the next one.
त्याचं वरचं मला भांडं वाटतं ते त्याच्यामध्ये पाणी टाकायचं असतं आणि ही पाईप जी असते
नाही.
आणि नंतर तो
ते नाही आहे.
एनिमा पॉट.
No, it's not an enema pot. It's a menstrual cup. This is the next. This is very useful thing, but this is confusing to watch.
हाँ वो शू करने के लिए
हाँ.
शू करने के
Perfect. If you can't use public toilets, then you can use this. This is the next one.
ये आईब्रोज का ही कुछ तो है ये यहाँ पे.
No, it's not that. It's very useless thing, to be honest. Like, I feel it is very useless. It's like you have to keep it on your eyes and then you have to put your lower lash mascara.
तुम्ही
Lashes.
बोलला ना मी हे मस्कारा लावायचं असतं म्हणून.
You said eyebrows. तुम्ही इथं दाखवलं. Roll the clip.
ये यहाँ पे.
No, it's not
नाही.
that.
हा.
You showed this.
आपण हे पण करू शकतो असं
हे
काही
ते
नाही की
नाही. No, this is very that na. This is very. This eyebrows are thick. This is not needed for your eyebrows. This is for your lower lashes.
Okay,
It
explain
should not.
later. Okay,
I'm explaining to them. I'm not talking to you.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Your work is just to guess the things, okay? This is the next thing.
nail,
No.
lips.
No.
क्या है?
Don't say Wolverine के 2-3 ये नाखून. So
फिर
small.
पैर का नाखून रहेगा शायद.
पैर का It's not related. एक minute. How can you think if I'm showing you some female products, it's gonna be related to makeup? There are so many other things. This is something which a male can also use. So what is this? This is a face cleanser. See, this has pores on it, and it has also a button, so it automatically creates like like this and helps you to clean your face.
What are you doing? Don't make faces, daddy.
This is the next one.
ये हेड मसाजर.
No, it's not.
ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ाने के
No.
लिए गुदगुली करायचं.
Gudguli. He says it's for tickling you. Nahi, it's not. How can anyone buy something to tickle the other person?
हो सकता है ना.
This is a very crazy fantasy.
पता नहीं वो लेडीज लोगों का क्या रहता है. चलो
This is
next.
hair waving. It helps you to wave your hair. What is this?
ये लड़कियों की लेडीज लोगों का दाढ़ी मूछें निकालने का है.
No. It's a cleanser again. This has like a bristles.
हाँ लेकिन वो सामने प्रोडक्ट दिखेगा तो मैं ज़्यादा बता सकता हूँ.
Then buy it. Now I'll get that for you and then show you live. I don't mind.
ओके अच्छा तो ये यही मंगाने का सब प्लान है.
No, I don't want all this, but
Ah.
it's like if you want to see live, then you can give. This is the next one.
रोल.
But why it is used?
तर जसं आपण ते रोड बनवल्यानंतर कसं रोड रोलर घेऊन प्लेन
त्याचा का- no, it's not.
तुम्ही मेकअप जे आहे त्याला ते
No,
रोल
it's
करायचं.
not for makeup.
काय
It usually you use it in the morning when you have swollen, in morning your face is like very swollen. So that time if you use this, it calms your, face down.
के मुंह पे पानी मारो ठीक हो जाता है. क्या ये सब नाटक.
This is the next.
सोप है.
No, this is not a soap.
हे मेकअपचं सामान आहे पण
No, it's not makeup.
स्पंज.
No. Hey! I know he can't see it, but there's written on it, so he's trying to show.
ओ
Now you know, you read it. You read that when you don't want to wear anything, you can put this and then nothing can be seen. This is the next thing.
ये बेबी को फीड करने का है.
But baby को क्या feed करने का है?
मिल्क.
अरे पर वो क्या है?
लेकिन ब्रेस्ट का जो मिल्क रहता है
हाँ. Okay, this is the next one. हाँ. This is also he knows because he has done my makeup, so he knows that beauty blender and this one. This is the next thing. This is very easy. You have to guess this.
ये मेंसेस में यूज होता है.
हाँ.
ओके नेक्स्ट.
This is a tampon which you might know. If you don't know, then go and search it. Done. That's it. This was the last one. And if you guessed any of them, like after watching the picture, if you thought something else in your head, you can comment down below. I would love to read all that stuff. So yeah, that was my dad guessing all the stuff, all the female products, and I do have a lot of more, but these are the 25-ish. So yeah, that's it. Do like, do share, do comment. You can go on his website and YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. You want to say something?
No, thank you so much. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Thank
and go watch other videos too. Camera is उधर तुमने किया, वहाँ है,
अच्छा, वहाँ है क्या?
उसके पास तो जाओ, वो हाथ वहाँ तक पहुँच ही नहीं रहा है. हाँ.